In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain from Hostinger and connect it to your Shopify store. Whether you're launching a new venture or enhancing an existing one, securing a fitting domain is an essential step. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring a smooth and straightforward journey. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a page with various hosting plans. It's time to click on Choose Plan. Hostinger offers a range of plans, so be sure to select one that aligns with your needs and budget. With your plan selected, you'll need to decide on the subscription period. Hostinger gives you options from a single month to several years. Choose your preferred duration, considering any discounts for longer commitments, and proceed. Now, it's time to enter your billing address information. Accurately complete this section to avoid any issues later on. Hostinger accepts various payment methods, so pick the one that works best for you. Whether it's a credit card or PayPal, make your selection and then submit your payment. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll be redirected to the H-Panel dashboard. Here, you can manage your services. Click on Checkout H-Panel to enter this management area. To purchase your domain, navigate to the domain section. Browse and choose a domain that resonates with your brand and is within your budget. If you're unsure, use the AI domain generator to assist by writing a short description of your business for ideas. With your domain chosen, now let's integrate it with your Shopify store. In your Shopify admin, head over to Settings, then select Domains. Here you'll find the option to connect existing domain. Click on that, go back to Hostinger and click on Manage to access your domain settings. Here you'll copy your domain. Once copied, return to Shopify and enter your domain into the provided field, then click Next. In Shopify, you'll find two important DNS values labeled as number 2 and 3. Jot these down as we'll need them shortly. Return to Hostinger's domain management, where you'll navigate to DNS settings and click Edit, then Add Record. Here, enter the type, name, and updates that you've copied from Shopify. Finally, back in Shopify, confirm the changes and allow some time for DNS propagation. This may take up to 48 hours, but your domain will soon point correctly to your Shopify store, enabling your customers to find you seamlessly. Thank you for following along. With your domain now connected to your Shopify store, your online presence is well on its way to being established. Continue building out your store. And if you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials.